If you've been following me, I have been creating some little noshes to go either on a charcuterie board or just as a snack any day of the week. And next up, I am going to make a salami rose. So I have some salami here, and I just have a little cup. So depending on what size of a rose you want will kind of dictate the size of your cup. And I'm just gonna fold this about halfway down, just like so. And I'm just gonna keep layering my salami all the way around, and I'm overlapping, slightly overlapping. Each time I put another piece down, I'm just slightly overlapping the last one. And you're just gonna keep going until you have a rose. Gotta remember where you left off. And eventually what will happen is the center will fill up, and you won't be able to add any more pieces, and then at that point you'll just pop it off. So if you want to do really big ones, you need a larger cup and a lot of salami. You can see it's starting to fill the center of it up, and then you'll just flip it upright, and there you have your cute little salami rose. If you've been watching me, if you've been following me, I am creating a delicious little charcuterie board. This is great for a Friday night, for dinner, whatever you want to do. So I've got my salami rose that I made in a previous video. And then I have my cheese ball here that I also made in a previous video that I'm going to go ahead and put down. And then I'm actually going to cut a little strip out of that parchment so that I can put a little bit of this blueberry goat cheese on the board. Cut a little bit of that out. I think I need the whole thing. And I'm just gonna put that right here, just so that it doesn't disturb my board. And then I can just cut off any excess Kerrygold cheese, a little bit of Brie as well. And then I can just kind of come in here and put in some crackers here and there. These in like so. Got some festive little butter crackers here. You can also just kind of put here and there some little Christmas trees. Got some candied pecans as well. Some of those there. Move this guy over a little bit. And a knife, and I'm good to go. There you go, a quick and easy charcuterie board. Enjoy.